Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a couple different things, but the main purpose of this video is to try out the new Laura Mercier glow powders, and I'm also trying out a new foundation, which will be in a separate video. So if my skin looks a little darker, that's because I have on the wrong shade, but that's the only shade I had, so that's what we're going with. So don't judge me. Today is all about the setting powder. So if you would like to see what the new Laura Mercier glow powders are like, then keep on watching. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like with the big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. So guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, first of all, I wanted to start off by saying thank you to Laura Mercier and to Influencer for sending me over some samples to try. They actually sent me 3 different products. One is the brand new Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Glow. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek and a little bit different as far as the color of it. In comparison to the normal translucent setting powder that I know everyone has probably used before. If you haven't used it, you've heard of it because it is a little pricey, but so worth it. So they sent that, and then they also sent the regular translucent setting powder in the deluxe mini size. So it still has the same packaging as before. They actually sent me the translucent medium deep setting powder. So this is the normal translucent setting powder, but it's slightly tinted, but it still comes off translucent. I know, right? So they sent me this, and I'm not going to demo this out because I feel like we've all used it a million times. Unless you want to see it again because you've missed a past video, then sound off in the comments and let me know. The star of the show is going to be the translucent medium deep glow setting powder, which is this. So if you'll notice, if you've used the other one, the only thing that's different about this, it still has the same frosted glass, but the lid is a little bit different. It's a different shade, a different color. It's got the Laura Mercier going around the top. So that's really nice. It's really pretty. It reminds me a lot of Hourglass's packaging, but I really like it. And then the third thing that they sent me was a brand new Laura Mercier brush, and it is specifically called the Glow Powder Brush. So it's supposed to go with this new Glow's translucent setting powder. And so here is what an outline of what the brush looks like. And I've already taken it out of the package, and this is what the brush looks like. So it is very soft, you guys. So soft. I showed you all a sneak peek of all these products in my last video where I did my mini PR unboxing, and I will link that up here for y'all to check out in case you missed it. But these are one of the products that, or several of the products that you all wanted to see, so I'm going to demo that for you today. So to jump right in, I already have my base on, so I've got my foundation on, so I moisturized, I primed, put my foundation on, and of course did a little quick eye makeup. So we're going to go ahead and set the makeup and finish the look, and then I'll let you know how I like it, how it feels, just kind of how it performs in a short amount of time. So what this says is, the iconic translucent loose setting powder in a glow finish sets the makeup for lasting weightless wear. It extends makeup wear with sheer coverage and lasting natural luminosity while blurring fine lines. So let's see if we can get rid of some of these fine lines. And it says for technique, using the Glow Powder Brush, which is this, apply all over the face after applying foundation and concealer. The Glow Powder Brush is sold separately. Yes, this is sold separately. I will link the price and where you can buy these 3 products in the description box below. Everything will be linked down there, so check that out. So let's go ahead and jump in. Again, like I said, I've already applied foundation, and I did use the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush for this liquid foundation that I'm testing out. So let's go ahead and open up So it still has the protective seal on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Whew. Okay, so I like to just like dump a little bit out in the lid. And again, this is the tinted. Ooh, I don't know how much to use, so I'm just gonna. All right, so I've got a fairly good amount in here. So it says to just apply it all over the face after applying foundation and concealer. So I'm just gonna go in, ooh, and then I'm gonna tap tap because it got quite a bit on there. And so here's what's on the brush. It's a little bit. And then I'm just gonna, ooh. Y'all see that? Okay. So I feel like I didn't do that right because it all just kind of clumped right there. So maybe we'll learn from the other side. And then it's like sticking. It's like, I don't know if it's the powder or the brush or if it's this foundation being like sticky or something, because it doesn't. So see, it just kind of clumps in there. So I don't know how I'm supposed to. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. And it says just apply sweeping motions all over the face. Now I do notice a glow in the camera, but I also do feel like this foundation had a little bit of glow before because it's a luminous foundation. Well, I'm sorry, not luminous foundation, but it's supposed to be a like, okay, it's a glow foundation. So I mean, I guess I probably should have used a different foundation, but that's okay. Because this is should set it down a little bit. Let's go on the forehead a little bit, down on the chin. Yeah, so off the bat, I'm going to say I do not like the brush. I don't think it distributes the product evenly. I don't think it distributes it very well at all. It just kind of, as soon as you dab it on your face, it just sits there. And then you really have to work it. So I don't think I like that. But I definitely can tell that I've got a glow that I wouldn't normally have. Like to the point where like you almost don't need highlight, or you could totally use this as a highlight, y'all. Let me get that nose. See, and if you see down my nose, you can tell that it's just kind of sitting there. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm liking this. Alright, let me finish this look and I'll come right back. Alright, so we are back with this final look, and I just feel like I look like wet. Like I just feel like I look really, really shiny, and I don't know that I like that. So I don't know. I think I'm going to do another video, and yes, I'm gonna upload it too, but I'm going to do it with a different foundation because I don't think I'm liking the two of these together. So yeah, definitely think that this setting powder, this glow setting powder, is meant to be used with a matte finish foundation. Not a dewy, not a natural, not a radiant, not a glowy, whatever. I don't think that's it, because I may not look like it once I look back at the video, but just in the monitor, I feel like I look extremely shiny. And that's great for like, I don't know, I just feel like I look really, really shiny. Like I'm trying to look at all angles here. I don't think I like it. So right now, this is a no for me. Like I don't think that I would reach for this powder every day. I just don't know the way. I think I would stick to the regular translucent setting powder. The glow is just, the jury's still out, okay? The jury is still out on this foundation. I need to try it with a different foundation. So this is my bad, guys. I will definitely be shooting another video this weekend, and I'll upload it with a round 2 to see if I change my mind after using it with a different foundation. In the meantime, I am going to continue to wear this for another hour or 2, and then I'm going to take this off and I'm going to bed. So this is a to be continued video. So, hold on, please. Need a little sip right quick. So that is going to be a to be continued. Like, I don't even want to set it because I'm afraid it's going to just get even more shiny. So the brush I definitely don't like though. I do know for a fact I do not like the brush because I feel like it just packed on the product and it stayed in like whatever area you put it on, and it literally, I was like brushing really hard on my skin to kind of evenly distribute the product, and I still don't think it did that great of a job. When you're just feeling it, it feels really soft. It's really nice. It feels very luxurious and expensive because I'm sure it probably is. But it didn't actually perform. So we could do away with this brush. I feel like a sponge or another a cheaper brush from like Morphe or Sigma would probably work better. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm not only going to try it with a different foundation, I'm actually going to try it with a different brush in the next video. So guys, to be continued. Got you on the edge of your seats, don't I? So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to shoot another video, so we'll call that part 2. In the meantime, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a like. And if you want to be super great, go ahead and share this video and my channel with some of your friends. I would love to have them a part of the Fam Bam. So go ahead and do your part, and I'm going to do my part and continue making good videos. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.